ഹായ് ഓൾ, പി എസ് സി സിവിൽ സർക്കിളിൻ്റെ പുതിയൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് 2015 നടന്ന സർവേ ഗ്രേഡ് 2 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിൻ്റെ ഒരു മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഫസ്റ്റ് 40 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആയിരിക്കും ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരും വീഡിയോ അവസാനം വരെയും സ്കിപ്പ് ചെയ്യാതെ കാണുക. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ലെങ്ത് ഓഫ് ഗണ്ടേഴ്സ് ചെയിൻ ഈസ് ഓപ്ഷൻസ് 20 meter, 66 feet, 16 feet, 100 feet. Answer option B, 66 feet. 1 hectare is equal to options 40.46 meter square, 100 meter square, 10,000 meter square, 1,000 square. Answer option C, 10,000 meter square. Total number of links in 20 meter chain is options 100, 150, 66, 33. Answer option A, 100. Area of A0 trimmed size drawing sheet is dash meter square. Options 1.25 meter square, 1 meter square, 1.5 meter square, 0.75 meter square. Answer option B, 1 meter square. Angle of dip at pole is dash degree. Options 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree. Answer option C, 90 degree. The area enclosed in an irregular curve can be formed out by options planimeter, pentagraph, clinometer, prism square. Answer option A, planimeter. The quadrantal bearing of a line is south 40 degree west. Its whole circle bearing is options 40 degree, 400 degree, 220 degree, 140 degree. Answer option C, 220 degree. Dash field book is eliminated. Options chain surveying, plane table surveying, compass surveying, theodolite surveying. Answer option B, plane table surveying. Curvature correction for leveling is always options additive, subtractive, either additive or subtractive, none of these. Answer option B, subtractive. Dash is a chord between two successive regular stations on a curve. Options long chord, subchord, normal chord, short chord. Answer option C, normal chord. If the two tangents are produced in a simple curve, they will meet at a point. The point is called options vertex, apex, point of tangency, curve tangent point. Answer option A, vertex. The horizontal distance between two consecutive contour lines is known as options horizontal interval, horizontal equivalent, horizontal scale, contour interval. Answer option B, horizontal equivalent. In a triangle, when two adjacent sides A and B and their included angle C are given, then its area will be options half AB cos C, half AB tan C, half AB sin C, AB sin C. Answer option C, half AB sin C. The height of a chimney is h meter and the observer is located at a distance of s meter. Its angle of elevation phi will be options tan inverse s by h, sin inverse s by h, tan inverse h by s, sin inverse h by s. Answer option C, tan inverse h by s. If the perimeter of circle is 50 cm, its area will be options 189.04 cm square, 199.04 cm square, 209.04 cm square, 50 cm square. Answer option B, 199.04 cm square. The length, breadth, height of a rectangular prism are 20 cm, 15 cm and 10 cm respectively. Its whole surface area will be options 1000 cm square, 1200 cm square, 1100 cm square, 1300 cm square. Answer option D 1300 cm square. 5 by 12 plus 12 by 7 is equal to options 0.213095, 21.3095, 0.0213095, 2.13095. Answer option D 2.13095. A cubical tank is filled with water. If each side of a cube is 1 meter, weight of water will be options 1026 kg, 10 ton, 960 kg, 1 ton. Answer option D 1 ton. For a cantilever beam, options both ends supported, one end fixed and other end free, both end fixed, one end fixed and other end overhanging. Answer option B, one end fixed and other end free. In AutoCAD, design center is options a drop down menu, a right click menu, a palette, a dialog. Answer option C, a palette. While ranging a line, the code of indication of left arm extend indicates options continue to move left, continue to move right, fix, correct. Answer option A, continue to move left. Dash is an instrument used for enlarging or reducing maps. Options guard tracer, clinometer, planimeter, pentagraph. Answer option D, pentagraph. The product of mass and velocity is options momentum, moment, velocity, torque. Answer option A, momentum. The number of vertical posts in a king post truss is options nil, 3, 2, 1. Answer option D, 1. The staff reading taken on a benchmark or a point of non-reduced level is options intersite, backside, reduced level, foresight. Answer option B, backside. 1 mile is equal to options 1016 km, 0.609 km, 1.609 km, 1.016 km. Answer option C, 1.609 km. 1 joule is equal to options 10 raised to 7 erg, 10 raised to 5 erg, 10 raised to 3 erg, 10 square erg. Answer option A, 10 raised to 7 erg. Minus 40 degrees Celsius is equal to options minus 80 degree Fahrenheit, 40 degree Fahrenheit, 80 degree Fahrenheit, minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. Answer option D, minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. 1 radian is equal to dash degree. Options pi into 180, 180 by pi, 180, pi by 180. Answer option B, 180 by pi. A regular polygon having 8 sides is called options pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon. Answer option D, octagon. The ratio of 15 cm to 2 meter is equal to option 3 is to 40, 1 is to 40, 40 is to 3, 40 is to 1. Answer option A, 3 is to 40. The value of pi is options 21 by 7, 7 by 22, 22 by 7, 27 by 7. Answer option C, 22 by 7. Mass is a dash quantity. Options vector, scalar, fixed, variable. Answer option B, scalar. One standard measurement 190 by 90 by 90 mm is options standard size of brick, standard size of rubble, standard size of laterite, standard size of ashlar. Answer option A, standard size of brick. Foundation of a building consists of RCC slab covering the entire area in plan is called options grillage foundation, well foundation, pile foundation, raft foundation. Answer option D, raft foundation. The bottom surface of a door or window opening is known as options plinth, sill, lintel, step. Answer option B, sill. Dash line is used for dimension line. Options continuous thick, continuous thin zigzag, continuous thin, none of these. Answer option C, continuous thin.